How to write a leave application form. Leave application form. Name, position, start working, leave period, verified by HR, remaining leave allocation, 10 working days, leave entitlement 6 working days, leave date from, until, remaining leave, 4 working days, remarks, HR records, absent working days, permit working days, sick working days, leave working days, other working days, total working days, employee direct superior director HR approved rejected approved rejected approved rejected, signature, name, date, signature, name, date, signature, name, date, signature, name, date. How to submit leave permission. Employee has to submit leave application form at least 14 days prior to leave taken. Leave application must be verified by HR. Verified application will be taken to direct superior. The original application will be given back to HR. Employee will be given a copy. Check out and download the template. www.allbusinesstemplates.com